Now I'm going to talk about something else. I've said before that I am both a painter and a textile artist. And I'm doing a project right now. I'm sharing a free embroidery lessons project right now. And I'm going to use this, change colors in areas to create the sense of depth. I wrote a post, I did a post yesterday about the sense of depth in my art. Well, this would pertain to if I wanted to draw this zinnia, paint this zinnia, or represent it in a project. That generally speaking, the center rises higher and it's lighter than where the center meets the base of the flower. And you're going to see that in the project I'm currently doing. But you'll definitely see it in my paintings. Not all embroidery kits seek to make that definition of color, but the Suits Lolly project that I'm doing right now does that on some of the flowers. Some of the flowers are done with satin stitches, and the change color around the periphery of the center that's darker than the center, which becomes lighter.